Since I like spicy, I'm gonna put my my jalapeno pepper, because last time I used them it wasn't spicy enough. For the first time I bought jalapeno and it wasn't spicy enough. Usually they're very spicy to me. So we're gonna let it be like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover it a little bit. So let's check it. We have to try it. This thing is very delicate, to be honest with you. So you have to be careful. Very, very delicate. I'm not breaking it because there's stuffing inside. Let's try. Try it already. It's color. Ooh. I can never get this fish right, to be honest. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it back in this. Can take the juice. Take the juice because I didn't put it overnight. One thing I don't like when meat, anything that I'm eating, there's no taste. I'm a flavor girl. I like this. So I put it here. You get all the taste, right? Put the juice on it, the season on the meat, so everywhere can get seasoned. Season meat. So you get all this season. So we're gonna put her veggies. This is bell pepper. The rest of my bell pepper last night. I'm gonna put some onion. So it's going to cook with the taste of this, right? You will get the taste. We're also going to put some full season on it. Not a lot. And we're gonna put a little bit of water, very little, and we're gonna let it. We're gonna cover it. Let's check it out. Ooh. Voila. See all the